capital projects and 2 goods and services. So please confirm your attendance. For the back, our bank chairman, Engineer Nestor D. Montemayor, present. Vice Chairman, Engineer Roy Alviso.
Present.
For the back, members, Engineer Mamental Amin.
Present.
Ms. Shari Ann Guerrero.
Present.
Engineer James Lawrence Reyes.
Present.
For the DPWH, we have Engineer Rosario Borumba.
Present.
Engineer Arnold Exterior.
Present.
Engineer Carmelo Esclaman.
Present.
Engineer Jeffrey Estrada.
Present.
And yours truly, Anchani. For the back secretariat, we have Engineer Lalaine Dicausi.
Present.
Ms. Sharon Manayon. Present. Ms. Jinky Bldgs.
Present.
And Ms. Mary Sanoy.
Present.
We also have our representative from EDS, Engineer Darwin Arizo, and Architect David James Bacalso.
Present.
So for the leaders who signed the attendance, we have Larry Lambayao from Dynamic Power Marine and Industrial Hardware Incorporated. Victor Doroy from MJAS Zenith Trading. And James Bitita and Roman Amante from Gen Diesel Philippines Incorporated. Cindy. And Cindy Garcia from January Traders. So I will give the floor to our chairman.
Okay, good morning. Welcome to our pre-bidding conference. Today, we have 2 procurement of goods and services and 6 civil works projects to be discussed. For the first project, the goods for 2024 GSHE0001. Contract name, supply, delivery, installation, and commissioning of 1 unit imported brand new heavy-duty industrial power generating set with automatic transfer switch, ATS, and wiring installation for the use of main administrative building, multipurpose building, quality assurance, and QA and staff quality house buildings, a new rise building of DPWH Cebu 2nd District Engineering Office, Talisay, Cebu. Contract location, Cebu Province. Brief description of goods to be procured, industrial machinery and equipment. Approved budget for the contract, 20,906,325 pesos. Source of fund, FY 2023, DEO Engineering of Administrative Overhead. Delivery date of goods, contract duration of service, 60 calendar days. For the next goods, we have 24 GSHE0002, supply and delivery of global navigation satellite system, GNSS RTP solving equipment for the use of planning and design section, DPWH Cebu 2nd District Engineering Office. Contract locations, Cebu Province, brief description of goods to be procured. Surveying instrument, approved budget for the contract, 2,184,000 pesos. Source of fund, FY 2023, DEO Engineering and Administrative Overhead, delivery date of goods, contract duration of service, 40 calendar days. For the civil works, we have 24 HE0116. Organizational outcome 1, ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, construction of grading, rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, primary roads, in Bacalso Avenue, Cebu South, kilometer 0012 plus 000 plus kilometer 0012 plus 375, Talisay City, Cebu. Project description, construction and grading, rehabilitation of drainage. Approved budget for the contract, 6,860,000 pesos. Source of fund, FY 2024 DPWH Central Program based on GAP. Duration 100 13 calendar days. For the next project, 24HE0172, Convergence and Special Support Program, CSSP, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Access Roads and Bridges from the National Road, leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of road, canals, Pumoy City, Naga City. Project description, construction of road, proposed budget for the contract, 24,750,000. Source of fund in FY 2024, DPWH infra program based on contract duration, 101 calendar days. For the next project, we have the 24HE0173, Convergence and Special Support Program, CSSP, Construction Rehabilitation, Water Supply, Sewage and Sewerage, Rainwater Collectors, Construction of Water Pumping Station at Bldgs and Fernando Cebu. Project description, construction of water pumping station, and for budget for the contract, 11,760,000 pesos. Source of funds, CY 2024, DPWH, infra program based on GA, contract duration, 115 calendar days. For the next project, we have contract ID 24HE0174, Convergence and Special Support Program, CSSP, construction rehabilitation of water supply, sewage and sewerage, rainwater collectors, construction of water pumping station, drinkers at Fernando Cebu. Project description, construction of water pumping station, approved budget for the contract, 11,760,000. Source of funds, CY 2024, DPWH, infra program based on the contract duration, 150 calendar days. For the next project, we have 24HE0175, Convergence and Special Support Program, CSSP, Construction Rehabilitation of Water Supply, Sewage and Sewerage, Rainwater Collectors, construction of water pumping station at Ward 4 in Bldg, Cebu. Project description, construction of water pumping station, approved budget for the contract, 11,760,000. Source of funds, CY 2024, DPWH, infra program based on GA, contract duration, 150 calendar days. For the last project, we have 24HE7176, Convergence and Special Support Program, CSSP, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Multipurpose Building, Facilities to Support Social Services, construction of multipurpose building, school building, Talisay City College, Poblacion, Talisay City, Cebu. Project description, construction of multipurpose building, school building. Approved budget for the contract, 39,800,000. Source of fund, CY 2024, DPWH, infra program based on the contract duration, 231 calendar days. Okay, for the discussion of goods and services, I give the floor to Architect David James Bacanso and Engineer Darren Alonso, and the DWG for the discussion of the details including equipment, requirements, and preparation of bidding documents for the 6 civil works.
Okay, good morning.
Morning.
For the scope of work of the power generating set. Number 1, installation of 1 unit 563 kVA or 450 kilowatt standby power generating set. Number 2, genset and wiring installation. Number 3, software installation and commissioning. Number 4, installation of fuel storage tank. Generating set specification, line voltage 220 volts to 230 volts, frequency in hertz 60, power factor 0.8, 3-phase, enclosure type, soundproof enclosure, fuel tank capacity in liters, 700 liters, sound data level 0, or OPU 93.4 decibels at 7 meters or 23 feet. Overall dimensions in meters 5.6 by 1.8 by 1.93. And for the engineering data, I give you to Engineer Ken.
technical data. For engine, we have engine type or cycle. For engine arrangement, we have 10B type. Then displacement, we have 17.5 liters. For bore, 12.2 centimeters. For stroke, 15 centimeters. For compression ratio, 17.5:1. For rated RPM is 1,800 RPM. For engine governor, electronic isochronous. For maximum power, we have 511 kilowatts. Steady state frequency band was in negative 0.25%. For air cleaner, dry. For liquid capacity, total oil system in liters is 61. For engine jacket water capacity in liters, 60 liters. System coolant capacity is 99.3 liters. For electrical, we have 24 volts. For cold cranking amps under negative 17.8 degrees Celsius, we have 1050. Batteries group size 4D. Batteries quantity 2. For fuel system, negative 10, JAC 37 degree female, M20 times 1.5 million adapter provided. Fuel return connection size, negative 6, JAC 37 degree female, M14 by 1.5 mil adapter provided. Maximum fuel lift 5 meters. Recommended fuel diesel number 2. Total fuel flow in liters per hour is 401.3. For fuel consumption at 100% of our rating, we have 127 liters per hour. At 75% of our rating, we have 98 liters per hour. At 50% of our rating, we have 73 liters per hour. For cooling or for radiator system, and ambient capacity of radiator is 50 degrees Celsius. Maximum restriction of cooling air intake and discharge side of radiator is 0.2. Water pump capacity in liters per minute 466. For heat rejection to coolant in kilowatts 235. Heat rejection to after cooler 118 kilowatts. Heat radiated to ambient in kilowatts is 58.6. For fan power, we have 17.1 kilowatts. For air requirements, as per rating, cubic meter per minute, 35. Airflow required for radiator cold unit, 642 cubic meter per minute. Remote cooled applications, airflow required for dissipation of radiated generator assembly for a maximum of 25 degrees Fahrenheit rise, 230 cubic meter per minute. For exhaust system, gas temperature in degrees Celsius is 461. Gas volume at stock temperature cubic meter per minute is 103. Maximum allowable back pressure at outlet engine before piping is 8.5 kilopascal. For alternator technical data, may give to engineer result.
Good morning, everyone. For the alternator technical data, main data, power 563/625 kVA, 450/500 kilowatt, voltage 220 volts, star parallel, rated voltage range plus minus 5%, power factor lagging 0.8, frequency 60 Hz, speed 1,800 RPM, nominal current 1,640 ampere, winding type P2/3, classes insulation / temperature rise, H/H, ambient temperature 40 degrees Celsius, mechanical construction, shaft height 355 millimeter, width 610 millimeter, additional specificities, stabilized runaway speed 2,160 RPM 2 minutes. Cooling method, degree of protection IP23, coolant, air, temperature 40 degrees Celsius, ventilation internal, self-ventilated.
And for bidders' required condition, prospective bidders shall submit the following documents as prerequisite of the end user. Number one, bidders should have been at least 40 years experience in power generating set business. Submit DTI or sector registration for online authentication. Number two, bidders pick-up license with specialty in electrical and mechanical works. Joint venture with other companies pick-up is not allowed. Number three, bidders genset brochure with detailed technical specifications of the engine and alternator. Number four, bidder manufacturers distributor agreement with certificate of authentication from the Philippine Embassy as authorized to sell engine units, provide after sales services, and to sell parts. Number five, bidders manufacturers certificate of ISO 9001-2015 or Quality Management System Standard. Number three, bidders authorized service center within Vismin regions or within Cebu must have office within Cebu. Provision of the following. Number one, warranty. 1 year warranty or 500 hours, whichever comes first on parts and labor under normal operation, not included in warranty coverage. A, parts or materials subject to normal wear and tear includes filters, belts, coolants, inhibitors, and etc. B, defects due to negligence, ignorance, improper maintenance or operation, improper installation and care. C, damages due to fires, natural calamities such as lightning, floods, earthquakes, typhoons, and etc. Then number two, under provision, number two, free set of tools, operating manuals and parts manual. Number three, free 350 liters of diesel during commissioning of genset. Number four, free 2 hours indoor genset orientation and PMS. Number five, free 2 hours genset actual hands-on training. That's all.
Okay,
You know,
for the discussion of civil works,
Supervisor survey.
for the survey, for the discussion of business.
Sa pagbukan ay for GST 0002, supply and delivery of global aviation satellite system, GNSS, RTP, survey equipment, the use of talent science section, included to second secretary office. Writing across and 8.1.11, facilities for engineer provision of survey equipment for the engineer. Global application system, GNSS, artificial equipment, including base station, 1 base, 1 rover, Kumna RTT model N2 farm, 1 additional rover, Kumna Mars RTT, with 5090 channels and 50 plus satellite tracking capabilities, and 2 has excellent performance under harsh conditions. The improved GNSS receiver offers dedicated Sino GNSS KA high precision Procured, third division, INU, into farmer technical high accuracy even in harsh environments, ensuring the quality of work. Into farmer can be connected automatically with the single tabs. The built-in UHF module has a super no more distance 50 kilometers and two can be switched as a roller or base at will. The 10,000 high capacity lithium battery inside can be quickly charged with 5 hours and can work continuously for more than 20 hours at maximum density. In built-in IMU support 60 degrees tilt compensation, get precise measurements results without the double check. Once calibrated, tilt measurements will, with centimeter level accuracy, last a long time, which improves the working efficiency. Self-developed for algorithm and built-in IMU measure accuracy within 2.5 centimeter. Magnetic fields are no longer used, making something more convenient. Technical parameters: channels 2.5 mm plus 0.5 ppm horizontal, satellite tracking 5 mm plus 0.5 ppm vertical, 3 mm plus 0.1 ppm horizontal, 3.5 mm plus 0.4 ppm vertical, 8 mm plus 1 ppm horizontal, 15 mm plus 1 ppm vertical, less than 0.4 meter RMS, horizontal 0.5 meter. Static and fast static, vertical 0.8 meter, 1.5 meter 3D RMS. Long observation static, this equal 5.5 meter range. This is what I call 16 degrees, 12 duration mode, support angle 60 degrees in precision. RTK, static PPK, RTK. TGPS, physical. SDAS, standalone size, weight, laser tilt measurements, power consumption, tilt input tilt input voltage, servo mode, battery, memory, 1590 for base and 1668 for rover tracking satellites, operating physical operating temperature, GPS, like LIC, L2P, L2C, L5, physical storage temperature, BS, B11, B51, B31, B1C, B2A, B2B, bonus G1, G2, G3, reserved for rover, LEO, E1, E5A, E5B, E6C, E5, and top range, QZSS, like L2C, L5, L1C, L3, IRNS, L5, physical, laser detection power, SBS, like a working temperature. Storage temperature, minus 40 degrees centigrade to 65 degrees centigrade, 40 degrees centigrade to 85 degrees centigrade. UHF, external data, general frequency range in meter, channel spacing 3 to 5 mm plus 1 ppm, frequency stability 0.9 MW, 1.2 to 1.5 MW, minus 20 degrees centigrade to plus 50 degrees centigrade. Electrical, minus 30 degrees centigrade, 60 degrees centigrade. Power supply, transmit current. Receiver power 410 to possibility MHZ, transmit power select 12.5 EHZ plus 1.5 ppm. Environmental operating temperature, humidity plus 10 volts to 40.5 volts DC, gas flow and water flow, 1 to 3 for the output power, physical 5 to 6 A, 30 watts output power, data connector, 100 in-lane, 0.75 W, power generator, and power connector, low high. Data connectors, minus 40 degrees centigrade, possibility to plus 85 degrees degree. Physical 100% no condensation. Android IP67 global to Currently 1047 pin Lemo, 2 pin Lemo board, and environmental 1.3 kilograms. Specifications for temperature, sharp, waterproof, and dustproof. 12.0 operating system. Electrical specification. Chemist certification. Process processor. 1K number 1. Alloy battery capacity. Charging camera. Minus 20 degrees centigrade to plus 65 degrees centigrade. RON survival 1.6 drop, a meter drop onto concrete. RAM IP67 expansion display 8 core processor and 9000 milliamp per working 30 hours, no more than 4 hours. 15 centimeter times 7 centimeter 30 pixels. 24 kilograms with 2 batteries, 64 gigabytes, 1.7 W or gigabytes, 728 VDC, SD card slot up to 128 gigabytes, 2 times 3,400 milliamperes, for those up to 20 hours typically, 5 gigabytes capacity touch screen, 8 gigabytes. Applications, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, dual mode BT5, and FCS. Dolby GSM, WCDA, LTE, TBD, LTE, FDD. Sensors, acceleration sensor, gyroscope sensor, light sensor, NFC, electronic compass, GPS A, GPS, GLONASS, GPS, BTS, Galileo.
For contract ID 24HG0016, organizational outcome 1, ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, construction, upgrading, rehabilitation of the NH along national roads, primary roads in Macau Avenues in Coastal Group, kilometer 12 plus 000 to kilometer 12 plus 375, Talisay City Cebu. Description of work to be done, part A, facilities for the engineer, item 8.1.18, provision and purposes for the engineer in clinical cases, 3.77 months. Item 8.1.116, operation and maintenance of the office for the engineer, 3.77 months. Part B, other general requirements, item 8.3, for license clearances, 1 month. Item 8.5, project project signboard, 3 each. B.72, operational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Item B.81, public management, 3.77 months. Item B.9, mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. Part C, transports, item 101, removal of structures and obstruction, 1 lump sum. 101.4B, removal of outdoor structures, obstruction, 4. 142, linear meter. Item 101.6, removal of structures and obstruction, complete, 21.64 cubic meter. Item 107.1, overflow, 814.88 interdiameter. Under part A, drainage and protection structures, item 404.8, reinforcement steel, 4,790.63 kilograms. Item 405.183, structural concrete, 80.68 Pascal, plus Item 5031, metal frames and rating, 1 meter by 1.2 meters, 147.30. Item 5043, cleaning culvert pipe in place, 910 meter diameter, box circuit, 1,177 millimeter. Item 5044, reconditioning and drainage structures, 7 inch. For minimum nature equipment requirements, cargo service truck, all models 2.5 meter tons, 1, cargo service truck 9 to 10 meter tons, 1, backhoe breaker, 1, truck models, 1, putting outfits, 1, bulldozer, 1, payloader, 1, bagger mixer, 1, water truck, all makes, 1, cleaning machine, diesel, 1. for from ID 24 HE0102, Convergence and Special Support Program. CSSP, Basic Infrastructure Program, EIP, access road and/or bridges from the national roads within the major strategic public buildings facilities. Construction of road, Ogun City, Naga, Cebu. Installation of work will be done. RA facilities for the engineer, item 8.1.18, provision of the notice for the engineer rental license, 3.37 months. Item 8.1.116, operation and maintenance of the notice for the engineer, 3.37 months. Under Part D, other general requirements, item 8.3, permits and clearances, 1 lump sum. Item 8.5, budget for signboard, 3 each. Item 3.72, operational clinical program, 1 lump sum. Item 3.81, traffic management, 3.37 months. Item 3.9, mobilization, 1 lump sum. Part C, airports, item 100, 3.81, individual mobile base, 150 to 110 diameter, small, 49 each. Item 102, 2, surplus pump installation, 3,786.04 millimeter. Item 103, 1, secure excavation, common soil, 683.99 cubic meter. Item 103, foundation deep, 101.44 cubic meters. 10368, that will percentage installation common soil, 701.7 cubic meters. Item 10418, movement number of excavation common soil, 487.14 cubic meters. Item 10518, supply preparation common materials, 3,900.26 per meter. Item 1071, number code, 34,832.15 cubic meter per kilometer. The parties on these base courses, item 200, 1, upgrades on base course, 980.39 cubic meter. The parties on these courses, item 311, 1, C1 for cement completion and reinforced, 0.33 meter, 14 days, 2,500 square meter. Under part G, drainage and soil protection structures, item 441A, the present grade 40. 1,358 kilograms. Item 405, 80 should complete when it is taken in the hospital, class A for 8 days, 280.4 kilograms. Item 5052A, Robin, class A, 1,159.82 meter. Under part H, incident structures, 611, 1, 3, furnishing and transplanting, 4,900 each. Major equipment requirements, backhoe, solar, 1, dump truck or models, 1, holding cell, 1, loader, 5 HP, 1, water truck, 1, motorized grader, 1, by the ruler, 1, plastic mixer or models, 1, cargo service truck, 1 bubble mixer, 1.
File number 24 is 0173, Emergency Special Support Program, CSSP, construction, rehabilitation of water supply, sewage and sewage drain water leakers, construction of water pump stabilization at Bldg, San Fernando, Cebu. For the item of proceeding, the part 1 of the requirements, B.3 permission clearances, 1 lump sum, B.5 particular signboard to each, B.71 official safety and program, 1 lump sum, B.9 mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. Under part 2, civil mechanical, electrical, and sanitary works. Under part A, earthworks, item 80318, structure excavation, common soil, 76.11 cubic meter. 8041A, embankment from roadway, structure excavation, 55.09 cubic meter. Under part B, place and infrastructure works, item 901C, structural concrete, 2,000 pieces. 34.62 cubic meter. 90218, resources 3 to 4, 340, 4,018.36 kilograms. 902, formals and phosphorus, 268.89 square meter. Under part C, finishing and harvesting works, item 100818, aluminum glass windows, sliding type, 3.92 square meter. 10081C, aluminum glass windows, only type, 1.12 square meter. 10102B, doors, wood panel, 1.68 square meter. 10161B, waterproofing liquid, 36 square meter. 1037, 1, cement plaster finish, 60 square meter. 1032, 1A, painting works, masonry concrete, 60 square meter. 1032, 1C, painting works, steel, 217.54 square meter. 1033, 1, metal deck panel, 40 linear meter. 1046, 2, A1, 16 building, including reinforcing steel, 150 mm, 31.5 square meter. 1047, 3A, metal structure, storage box, 24 inch. 1047, 6, metal structure, accessories steel plates, 184 kilograms. 1047, 1, section steel, 1 lump sum. Under part B, electrical, item 1102, 18, solar panel with inverter, battery and other devices, 1 lump sum. Under part B, mechanical, item 12011, 1, water pumping system, deep well enhancement, 1 lump sum. 12017, water tank stainless, 1 lump sum. For the minimum major equipment requirements, backhoe 1, dump truck 1, compactor 1, vibrator 1 bagger mixer 1, part cutter 1, part bender 1, rolling machine 2, cutting outfit 1. For the next project, item number 24 is E0174. Conversions and special support programs, CSSP, construction, rehabilitation of water supply, sanitation, sewerage, rain water collectors, construction of water pumping station at Greenhouse San Fernando City. For the item of Rosulan, the part 1 had the general requirements, 3.3 purpose and clearances, 1 lump sum, 3.5 project inward signboard, 2 each, 3.71 occupational safety and program, 1 lump sum, 3.9 mobilization, 1 lump sum. Under part 2, civil mechanical, electrical, and sanitary planning works, I think, under part 3 works, I think it 031A, structure excavation common soil, 76 to 11 cubic meter. 041A, embankment from road structure excavation, 55.09 cubic meter. Under part B, plain and reinforced works, item 900, 1C, structural concrete, 3000 PSI, plus 88 days, 34.64 cubic meter. 902, 1A, reinforced steel reformed at 340, 4,318.26 kilograms. And 032, promotion works, 27.82 square meter. Under part C, finishing and civil works, item 10081A, aluminum glass windows sliding height, 3.92 square meter. 10081C, aluminum glass windows sliding height, 1.12 square meter. 10102B, doors wood panel, 1.68 square meter. 10161B, waterproofing liquid, 36 square meter. 1037-1, cement plaster finish, 60 square meter. 1032-1A, painting works, masonry concrete, 60 square meter. 1032-1C, painting works steel, 470.54 square meter. 1033-1, metal deck panel, 40 linear meter. 1046-2A1, CSB non-load unit including process steel, 150 mm, 31.5 square meter. 1047-3A, metal structure storage bolts, 24 inch. 1047-6, metal structure storage steel plates, 104 meters. 1047-1, structural steel, 1 lump sum. Under part D, electrical, item 1102-18, solar panel with inverter, battery and other devices, 1 lump sum. Under part E, mechanical, item 12011, water pumping system, deep well enhancement, 1 lump sum. 1217, water tank stainless, 1 lump sum. For the minimum major equipment requirements, backhoe 1, dump truck 1, compactor 1, vibrator 1, bagger mixer 1, part cutter 1, part bender 1, building machine 2, cutting outfit 1.
Conduct ID for ACC 115 and budget and social support program, construction evaluation of water supply, septic and sewage, rainwater collectors, construction of water pumping station at Water for BrandNew Cebu. And the awards under part 1, B23 private appliances, 1 lump sum. B25 project billboard, signboard, 2 each. B71 optional safety and health, 1 lump sum. B29 registration, 1 lump sum. Under Part A, E231A, subsource division common soil, 76.11 cubic meter. 8041A, embankment pagod subsource division, 55.09 cubic meter. Under Part B, 9001C, Saxal concrete, 3000 PSI, Class A, 28 days, 34.62 cubic meter. 9021A, reinforcing steel, reform, grade 40, 4,918.36 kilograms. 9032, formworks and forceworks, 265.84 square meter. Under Part C, 10081A, aluminum glass windows, sliding type, 3.92 square meter. 10081C, aluminum glass window, only type, 1.12 square meter. 10102B, doors, wood panel, 1.68 square meter. 10161B, waterproofing liquid, 36 square meter. 10271, cement plaster finish, 60 square meter. 10321A, building works, masonry concrete, 60 square meter. 10321C, building works, steel, 217.34 square meter. 10331, metal deck panel, 40 linear meters. 10462A1, CSB and bearing, including reinforcing steel, 150 mm, 31.5 square meter. 10473A, metal structural accessories, bolts, DPWH. 10476, metal structural accessories, steel plates, 184 kilograms. 10471, structural steel, 1 lump sum. Under Part D, 110218, solar panel with inverter, battery and other devices, 1 lump sum. Under Part A, 12011, water pumping station, deep well, enhancement, 1 lump sum. 12017, water tank, stainless, 1 lump sum. For minimum legal defense requirements, backhoe, 1, dump truck, 2, brake compactor, 1, cultivator, 1, bagger mixer, 1, cutter, 1, barbender, 1, welding machine, 2, cutting outfit, 1. For Product ID DPWH 0176, Convergence Assistance for Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, Multipurpose Building, Facilities and Support Social Services, Construction of the Building, School Building, Talisay, Population, and the City Cebu, Active Works, are the following. Under Part A, 8.118, provision of the office president, total basis, 15.28 months. Part B, 3.3, permanent allowances, 1 lump sum. 3.5, project welfare signboard, 2 days. 3.71, occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. 3.9, immunization, 1 lump sum. Under Part C, 1045, Golden Field, 62.21 cubic meter. 6111, trace, furnishing and transplanting, 1,500 hits. 800382, individual workplace, 301 to 500 in diameter, 15 hits. 8012, removal of upper suction, 40 hits. 8031A, structural solution for common soil, 1,151.62 cubic meter. 8041A, embankment for structural solution, 956.12 cubic meter. 8042D, embankment for borrow, granular coarse materials, 29.55 cubic meter. 8044, battlefield, 45.15 cubic meter. Under Part D, 9001C1, such concrete, 3000 PSI, Class A, 28 days, 601.48 cubic meter. 9021A1, reinforcing steel, reform, with 40 mm, welded diameter, 38,247 kilograms. 90218A2, reinforcing steel, reform, grade 16, 60 mm, 20 mm, and 25 mm diameter, 78,327.24 kilograms. 9032, formworks and forceworks, 2,120.56 square meter. Under Part A, 10001, soil personal, 167 liters. 10015A, construction concrete, 20 days. 10017A, Johnson box, cistern tank, concrete, 1 inch. 1018, sewer line works, 1 lump sum. 10019, storm drainage and downspout, 1 lump sum. 10011, septic water tank, complex 6B, 1 lump sum. 10024, plumbing fixtures, 1 lump sum. 10024, conductor lines, 1 lump sum. 1003181, ceiling, 4.5 mm, metal frame, 5% board, 520.80 square meter. 103, carpentry and building works, 1 lump sum. 10042, finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. 10051, residential basement, 110 square meter. 10055, steel window grills, 1 lump sum. 10091A, jealousy windows, glass, 43 square meter. 10102B, door, wooden panel, 38.88 square meter. 10130A, fabricated metal roofing, 608, gauge 6.55 mm, ridge height, 38.1 linear meters. 10132B, fabricated metal roofing, 608, gauge 56.551 mm, flashing, 29 linear meters. 10141B1, fabricated metal sheets above 0.47 mm, red type long span, 444.02 square meter. 10181, glazed tiles and trims, 234 square meter. 10182, unglazed tiles, 25 square meter. 10216, cement floor finish with floor hardener, 1,823.77 square meter. 10271, cement plaster finish, 1,765.48 square meter. 10321A, painting works, masonry concrete, 3,520.61 square meter. 10321B, painting works, wood, 173 square meter. 10321C, painting works, steel, 1,402.49 square meter. 10381, effective installation, 445.19 square meter. 10461A1, CSP load bearing, including reinforcing steel, 150 mm, 788 square meter. 10460A1, CSP load bearing, including reinforcing steel, 100 mm, 715.98 square meter. 10462A4, CSP load bearing, including reinforcing steel, 150 mm, 715.11 square meter. 10474A, metal structural resources, bolts and nuts, 108 each. 10474B, metal structural resources, door and buckle, 32 each. 10475B, metal structural resources, steel plates, 857.46 kilograms. 10475B, metal structural resources, sagrad, 101 kilograms. 10475C, metal structural resources, cross bracing, 246 kilograms. 10478A, structural steel trusses, 7,758 kilograms. 10478B, structural steel for rails, 3,629 kilograms. 10511B, railings, stainless steel, 20.2 meters. 10515, metal railing, 1,822.8 meters. RD, 11008, boxes, wargater, 1 lump sum. 11009, painting and accessories, 1 lump sum. 11021, panel board with main and branch breakers, 1 lump sum. 11010, all mounted distribution transformer with complex accessories, full type, 1 lump sum. 11031, lighting fixtures, 1 lump sum. 11061, CCTV system, 1 lump sum. RT 12021, automatic fire sprinkler system, guide sprinkler system, 1 lump sum. 12081, fire alarm system, 1 lump sum. For the equipment, backhoe 1, dump truck 2, petrol factor 1, focus petrol 1, pamphlet 1, 1 bagger mixer 1, bar cutter 1, bar filter 1, welding machine 2, and water pump 1.
So for preparation of the technical and financial documents, please follow what is required in the checklist and use the prescribed DPWH forms. Use A4 size bond paper and use blue pen in signing all the pages of the document. All pages must be paginated and tagged. Submitted documents which are only photocopies of the original document should be stamped certified true copies. Please take note of the two envelope system. There should be a separate envelope for the technical proposal and another separate envelope containing the financial proposal. Please submit two original technical and financial proposals. Again, I would like to reiterate that bidders are required to incorporate in their technical component the bidding documents as part of their bid proposal. Please take note that it is not indicated in the checklist, but it is an additional requirement. For the key personnel, attach supporting documents such as PRC ID, materials engineer certificate of accreditation, and certificate of the construction safety and health officer, and check the validity of the PRC ID and any certificate. For the list of equipment pledged to the contract, please follow what is required in the bid data sheet. Refer to the list of material testing equipment in compliance with DEO 11 series of 2017, inclusion of the minimum materials equipment in the technical component of the bid. And don't forget to attach proof of ownership or contract of lease for equipment and the lease agreement. Please be reminded also of the mandatory submission of the Bldg certificate of platinum registration and use the revised forms for the on-the-concern statement, bid form, and bid security declaration. For financial proposal, please follow the DPWH prescribed format for the bid of quantities. And in the unit clause, please consider 2 decimal places only. The total amount must be completed as unit cost multiplied by the quantity equals the total amount. Observe proper sealing of the bid proposal, and bidders who purchase bidding documents must draft their bids on time. And please don't delay. Please be informed that during the purchase of bidding documents, only a representative with original special power of attorney for sole proprietorship or board resolution with secretary certificate for corporation, partnership, joint venture, if not authorized license officer in the Civil Works Application or CWA, which is contract specific and executed by the authorized managing officer of the contractor, and presentation of one valid identification issued by the company or any government institution are allowed. However, during the drafting of bids, only authorized license officer or those whose names appear on the Civil Works application are allowed to submit. For contractors who will be awarded in these projects, please be informed of the additional documents that should be submitted within 10 days from the receipt of the notice of award. And these are Procured special joint venture license and joint venture agreement if applicable only. Performance security, construction method, construction schedule, manpower schedule, equipment utilization schedule, construction safety and health program, contractors always insurance, latest income tax and business returns, and for a local contractor, certification and whereout stating that the contractor is free and clean of all tax liabilities. Please be reminded also of DEO 127 series of 2018 strict application of RA 9184 independent of post-qualification of bidders with delayed ongoing contracts with the DPWH. So during post-qualification, the bank shall determine the bidder's compliance through verification and validation of the bidder's safety, competence, and experience, including the declared singular completed contract similar to the contract being procured. Verification of competence and experience of the bidder's key personnel to be assigned to the contract as against the minimum requirements under the bid data sheet. Verification of availability and commitment and or inspection and testing for the required capacities and operating conditions of major equipment units to be owned, leased, and purchased by the bidder for use in the contract under bidding. Checking the performance of the bidder in its ongoing government and private contracts if any of this ongoing contract shows a reported negative slippage of at least 15% in a single contract, or a reported negative slippage of at least 10% in 2 or more contracts. Failure of the contractor to commence repair works on ongoing contracts within 7 days and to complete them within 30 days after receipt of the procuring entity's notice of defects and deficiencies, or failure of the contractor to commence repair works on contracts with pending certificate of acceptance within 30 days and to complete the works within 90 days after receipt of the procuring entity's notice of defects and failures, or substandard quality of work as per contract plans and specifications. As the contrary performance of the contractor's obligations as per contract terms and conditions at the time of inspection, or liquidated damages currently imposed on the contractor. The results of the contractor's performance evaluation system or CFS should also be considered with the concerned bank in determining the responsiveness and the for any award of contract and take place. If the bank verifies any of these deficiencies to be due to the contractor's fault or negligence, the agency shall disqualify the contractor from the award of the procurement of infrastructure projects. The implementing office are hereby directed to include in the education to be that if at the time of the post-qualification procedure, the bank verifies that any of the deficiencies is due to the contractor's fault or negligence, the procuring entity shall disqualify the contractor from the award without any right to reimburse fees and incidental costs paid for the procurement of infrastructure contract subject of the bid. If the ground for post-disqualification is based on above requirements, the concerned bank shall issue notice of post-disqualification to the bidder with a statement that the DPWH shall qualify your bid for any of these projects until or unless the reason for your post-disqualification was already cleared by the concerned implementing office. Upon presentation of required documentary evidence, the concerned implementing office shall issue a certification if the contractor has already eliminated the negative slippages and other deficiencies. However, nothing remains shall delay the procurement process of the concerned implementing office in accordance with guidelines provided under 2016 RIRR of RA 184.
For the schedule of procurement activities for this contract, issuance downloading bidding documents February 9, February 28, 2024. Bio documents deadline February 28, 2024 at 10 a.m. Receipt and beginning of bids deadline February 28, 2024 right after the contract profile eligibility processing. Venue DPWH Cebu second District Office, Conference Room, Yason, CPC. Is there any question, comments, or suggestion? If there is none, I move to close the pre-meeting conference. Since the motion is duly seconded, the pre-meeting conference is now adjourned. Thank you and good morning.